Hi everybody, this is Angelbert Morales from E. Rodriguez Vocational High School. Welcome to Math Talk. Math is not only amazing, but enjoyable and fun. Our today's episode is about computation of median. Before we start, be sure you have with you your pen and paper so that you can jot down and have some important notes. Okay, so our first thing that we're going to do is illustrate the median for a group data. No? So these are median in a group data. Ayan. Okay. So we have here distribution of mathematics scores of 20 students. Okay, so 20 yan. Pag inad mo to lahat, 20. And then the class interval, we have 2. So 1, 2, so that's why class interval is 2. Either of the others here, or kung ano man yung dito, 5, 6, so that's 2, 7, 8, 2. So lahat ng mga numbers na makikita nyo dito sa ating first row, the score, class interval, age bracket. So, yun yung mga class interval nyo na makukuha. Okay? So, sometimes, it's up to you to make your own class interval. Sometimes, you can calculate your class interval. Okay? We already discussed the computation of the class interval before. So, we have here 2. Okay? So, now, the things that we are going to add for the content today is the cumulative frequency. So, the cumulative frequency is very simple. We're just going to add the numbers of the total number of students. So, the first one, we have 1. So, here, we just copy 1 here. Then, 1 plus 3. So, I'm just going to write it here. So, we have 1 plus 3. So that is 4. Okay? Then 4 plus 8. So we'll be having 4 plus 8. And we have 12. Okay? So that is 12. Then 12 plus 6. So if we add 12 plus 6, that is 18. Okay? Then 18 plus 2, that's 20. Okay, so be sure the end point is 20. If the value is not 20, then there is something wrong with the cumulative frequency. Okay, next. So to get the median, you simply get the bigger number of students. So meaning this is our median, the 8. So the median class, is here in 12. Okay. Then, so what is the lower boundary? Okay, so the lower boundary is, so from 5 minus 0.5, that is 4.5. Okay, we get this by simply having 5 minus 0.5. So that's 4.5. And the 5 here is this one. Ayan. So the lower boundary is 5. Okay. So the lower boundary is 5. Don't forget that. Okay. So 5 minus 0.5, 4.5. That's why the lower boundary is 4.5. Now, what is the CF? CF. Less than cumulative frequency. The less than cumulative frequency is 4. Okay. Oh, how do we get this? So, how do we get the 4 here? So, how do we get this 4? So how do we get this 4? So before, this is less than, that's why it is before the median. So, this is the 4 here. You get the 4. Ayan. Okay? So, these are the things that we need to calculate the mean, or the median rather. So, the lower boundary, 4.5. Then we have the 4, the less than cumulative. This is less than cumulative frequency. So, that's 4. And then the median itself is 8. Okay? Then the class interval, 2. Okay? Now, let's have the calculation using the formula. Oh, by the way, guys, the frequency of the median is 8, no? So, FM. So, the 8 is FM. So, here is our equation. Median is equal to the lower boundary plus close and open parenthesis n over 2 minus less than cumulative frequency over the frequency of the median times the class interval. So, we're going to substitute the given value. The LB we have here. So, where's the LB? The LB is 4.5 there. So, we have 4.5. And then, copy the bracket. So, the N is 20. 20 over 2 minus the less than cumulative frequency, that's 4. All over. So, FM is 8. Okay. Then, we have class interval 2. Okay. So, I hope you follow, no? So, lower boundary, 4.5. The N, this is the N, 20. Copy lang the 2. Then, the cumulative frequency, less than cumulative, that's 4. So, we get it from the table. Then, 8. So, this is the frequency of the median. And then, the class interval, that is 2. Okay? So, now, let's simplify it. So, we have 4.5 plus, so this is 10, no? So, 20 divided by 2, that's 10, minus 4 all over 8. Then 2. Okay? So, then, so we have, copy again the 4.5 plus, so 10 minus 4, that's 6 over 8. Tapos 2. Okay? So, then, what do we have? So, we have 4.5 plus, divide this one, this is, 3/4, no? So, that's 3/4, 0.75 times 2. Then, we have, so, we'll be having 4.5 plus 1.5. So, the answer is 6. Okay? So, our median is 6. From the given equation, yan. Okay? So, yun yung ating sagot, 6. Okay? Okay. So, now, let's have the second problem. This time, our first column is about age, no? So, approximately, this is, we ask to solve for the median of the distributed given data, no? So, the N here is 60. So, we have 60. So, the N here is 60. If we're going to add all of it, that is 60. So, 5 plus 12 plus 5 plus 7 plus 12 plus 22 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2, that is 60. So, dito pa rin tayo mag-start from top to bottom. We're going to add all of it to find out if that is 60. Okay, so, we start it from 5. So, 5 plus 7, that is 12. 12 plus 12, that is 24. So 24 plus 22, that is 46. Okay. So 46 plus 8, that is 54. 54 plus 4, that is 58. Then, 58 plus 2, that is 60. So, tama yung ating ang ating total number of frequency or total number of population, 60. So, now, we look for the mean, yung pinakamalaking score. So, ito yun, 22. Ayan. So, that is 22. Now, this is the FM. So, by the way, as you can see, the C is 10 here. Because we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's 10. Okay? Even here, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So, that's 10. So, therefore, what would be the lower boundary? So, if we are here, so the lower boundary is something to do with 51. So, that is, we're gonna have minus 2.5. So, 41 minus 0.5, that is 40.5. So, the lower boundary is 40.5. Okay, I hope you follow, So, we get it here, 41. 41 minus 0.5. Okay? That's why we get the 40.5. So, if the mean is here, then it is before the mean frequency. So, therefore, this is our cumulative frequency. Less than cumulative frequency is 24. Okay? Get it? So, therefore, now we can calculate the given, we can now calculate the median. Okay, so this is our formula. So, mean, lower boundary, multiply, plus, open and close parenthesis, 2 over n minus CF, less than CF, over FM times C. So, substitution, the LB, what is LB? 40.5 plus, okay, the bracket. So, this is 60 over 2 minus 24. Then, all over, the FM is 22. Then, the cumulative frequency is 10. Okay. Now, let's proceed. So, copy lang the 40.5 plus, so we'll be having 30 minus 24 all over 22. Okay. Times 10. So, copy again the 40.5 plus, so this is 6 over 22 times 10. Okay. Okay, next, 40.5 plus 0.27 times 10. Okay. So, we'll be having 40.5 plus 2.72 or 73. So, add lang natin yan, plus 40.5. So, we'll be having 43.3. 23. So, that's the mean. 43.23. So, that's our answer. Okay? Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and share our video. Thank you. Bye-bye.